Good morning. It's morning at Holy Scrap Hot Springs, and I'm in my trailer that I live in that Mikey and I renovated as part of our project. This is our east window, and the sun is starting to come in and warm the room. This little video is all about how we heat our over 1,000 square foot house for almost no money. We have never had a heating bill over $45. So it's winter, we're in the high teens. It should be cold, but it isn't. Here's our secrets. Ready? So let's creep into my dark living room. So the living room's like a cave right now. It's really dark, but this is a south-facing window. So I'm going to open the layers of curtains that we've created for our special system. This system is for heating and cooling, although this video is about heating. So the sun has just come in, and it's going to heat this room all day. These windows on my west side have an additional layer. We have a thick layer with a liner that bounces the sun off in the summertime. We have a diffuser layer, again, more for summertime, for softening the light. And here's the key. We have a mylar bubble layer. So again, in the summer this would deflect the light, but it is winter and we want heat. So I just put a little tiny loop in here and a screw. I'm going to roll this up and I'm going to let the sun come in all day and heat the house. This is our very sophisticated system for a $50 a month gas heating bill and never more. Hello again, friends. We are back at my east-facing window on the same day, and it is a little after 5 o'clock. This is the month of January, just to give you an idea about the sun and the horizon line. You can see the sun is setting on the mountain in the background. So this is when we close up the house and we hold all the heat we gained from opening it this morning, and we hold it all night long. I just want to point out a couple of things. We're in a 1967 mobile home that we renovated that has no insulation. And we have single pane windows that don't really close all the way, and so Mikey screws them down from the outside. That's how crappy. And again, we've never had a gas heating bill over $45 just because we open and close the windows at the right time of day. So here we are. We're back in the living room. The sun has heated this room all day long. All I'm going to do is close it up. On our west-facing windows, we have layers. This bubble wrap helps keep out any drafts. And then we have our 2 layers. It's really that simple. You too can be warm